What if the animals fuse together? The last one might haunt your dream. First, snake plus crocodile. Hisses, snaps, and still somehow makes a bad first impression. Next, swordfish plus horse. Gallops through the ocean like it owns the place. Next, pit bull plus cheetah. Loyalty and speed. Basically your new impossible to catch pet. But wait, like, and subscribe if you think this baby horse is cute. Next, gorilla plus turtle. Big, strong, slow, yet somehow plotting world domination. And finally, panther plus Komodo. Silent, deadly, definitely not cuddle material. Don't scroll past or it might notice you.